Hello everyone. It feels like it's been forever since I've made a video. Today I'm going to show you a new feature in 11 Labs. It's incredibly simple and it is super fun. It is called music. So when you're in 11 Labs, you just select music and then you can describe the song you want, but you can also set the duration. So I've been doing just little jingles like 30 seconds, but you can actually make a full song. You can also choose how many variations you want. I've been going with 2, but you could do more. Let me just let you listen to some of them that I have created. So I made this one for my mom.
Wake up smiling, sunshine in your eyes. Every hug you give feels like a prize. You lift me high when days get tough. Mom, your love is more than enough. My mom's the best mom, cutest mom around.
Okay, now I've been taking it a step further. So I've been getting songs and then I've been making videos and I want to show you.
Wake up smiling, sunshine in your eyes. Every hug you give feels like a prize. You lift me high when days get tough. Mom, your love is more than enough. My mom's the best mom, cutest mom around. Every step I take, you cheer me on loud. Pop a beat, let me say it one more time. You're my hero.
So that's an example of one. And then I made one. And then I made this one for adopting pets. So this is something my sister's interested in.
I'm an old pup on the street, left my home, but I'm still sweet. Gray in the muzzle, tail still wagging, dreaming of someone who hear me bragging. Adopt me, please, I'll be your friend, loyal till the very...
So my thoughts about 11 Labs, because I'm always trying to think of the use case, like how can I actually use this? I think companies can use it to get a little jingle going. But I think mostly it can be used for advertising, to make songs to go with ads. I've been using it to create little videos for friends and family and to volunteer my time actually to create little jingles and reels for animal shelters and adoption and things like that so that they can get some visibility in a fun way. So I can't see this specific tool actually creating like high quality, top 10 hits, but it definitely has a use. So we're going to start from scratch here, and I'm just going to show you how this process works because you can actually do quite a bit of editing once you get into the song. So we're going to do a bluegrass song about learning new innovative tools, AI tools for work. I mean, yeah, you think, hey, what song could possibly be good about that? But they will come up with something. Now, you may not like the rhythm. You may want to change it to a male or a female. So let's just see what we get. So first, it shows us here the styles that were included in the prompt and things that were excluded in the prompt. Over here is where you're going to see your 2 variations. So we have our first variation there and then our second variation there. When you select a variation, the words over here that are the lyrics is going to change. So these are the lyrics for variation 2. Let's go back to variation 1. And then it changes the lyrics because we can actually add words in here if we want to add additional stuff or subtract additional stuff. So let's just see what happens.
Bright morning sun through the window pane. Coffee in hand, I'm ready again.
Okay, so we've listened to that. Let's just take a listen to the second variation.
Woke up this morning with my coffee in hand. Boss says there's a new trick in our land. He's rolling in like a fresh blue wind. Gonna learn these tools at the roof begin.
Yeah, and that sounds pretty good considering what it's about. So we can add more to this song and we can also change the song. So let's change the vocals to female.
with my coffee in hand. Boss says there's a new trick in our land. He's rolling in like a fresh blue wind. Gonna learn these tools, let the growth begin.
That's actually really, really good. So anyway, that's how you can change what already exists. Now, we can also select the plus button, want to just generate more content. So we're not even going to put in a prompt. We're just saying, just generate more of this same song. And here's our new section down here. Oh, wow. I'm accidentally deleting stuff. And how do we undo? Undo. Okay. So we're just going to go down here, play that. Okay. Add a new section. Add a new section about how happy she is.
Trick in our lane. He's rolling in like a fresh blue wind. Gonna learn these tools, let the growth begin.
So it added this new section down here. So anyway, that is how it works. And you can always go back to your original versions. They're located over here in the side panel, and you can select them, like I said, and you can go in and change the words and have it regenerated. But that is how that works. Very easy, very fun, very catchy tunes. I'm going to show you one more here. This is one I made for my dad. He has a kennel in Branson, Missouri. This one was one of my favorites to do. Here it is.
Big dog boy and y'all.
When pups need a porch to call their own, the banjos ring and hearts are known. We've got the arcs and joyful roam. Big dog boarding's their country home.
So catchy.
Down in Branson, Mo, where every tale's got a friend to know. Safe, happy, play beneath the open sky. Big dog boarding and watch your pups fly high.
So, yeah, very catchy. Go check it out. 11 Labs, the music tab.